Is your MacBook slow, infected, or prepping for sale? A factory reset can help, but it risks data loss. In this video, we'll show you how to safely reset your Mac across versions and speed it up using Setapp apps. For macOS Ventura, click on the Apple logo, open System Settings, scroll to General, and select Transfer or Reset. Then choose Erase All Content and Settings and enter your Apple ID and password. Your Mac will restart with the Setup Assistant. For macOS Monterey, click on the Apple icon, open System Preferences, then Erase All Content and Settings. Enter your Apple ID and password, click Continue, and choose All Content and Settings. A hello screen will confirm the reset. In both cases, you may be asked to back up with Time Machine. While optional, it's key to review the data deletion warning carefully. If your Mac is unresponsive, use Recovery Mode. For M-Series Macs, turn your Mac off and hold the power button until startup options appear. Then select Options and follow prompts. For Intel-based Mac, power off, hold Command+R, and press the power button until the Apple logo or spinning globe appears. Once in recovery mode, open Finder. Go to the Applications folder, Utilities, and select Disk Utility. Select Macintosh HD and Erase. Name it Macintosh HD and choose APFS for macOS 10.13 or later, or macOS Extended, Journaled for earlier versions. To finalize, select Erase Volume Group or Erase. After erasing the disk, reinstall macOS by booting into recovery mode. Click Reinstall macOS and follow the instructions. Once complete, the welcome screen will appear to set up your Mac like new. Before resetting, sign out of all your Apple services. In the Music app, go to Account and select Sign Out. For iCloud on macOS Ventura or later, head to System Settings. Click Apple ID and Sign Out. For older versions, use System Preferences, Overview, and select Sign Out. Then, sign out of iMessage by opening Messages, going to Settings, select iMessage, and clicking Sign Out to protect your data and prevent reconnecting to services. Next, disconnect Bluetooth devices to avoid setup issues. Click on the Apple logo, go to System Settings, select Bluetooth, find your devices, and choose Forget this device. Backing up your Mac is essential. Use Get Backup Pro to clone or back up specific files to an external drive for easy recovery. ChronoSync Express also backs up and sends updates on your computer's activity. If you forget to back up and lose your data, Disk Drill recovers files from internal drives, USBs, and SD cards quickly. Resetting your Mac can be overwhelming, and sometimes a simple cleanup is enough. CleanMyMac boosts performance by removing junk files, caches, and clutter with just one click. Setapp gives you powerful tools like Get Backup Pro, ChronoSync Express, Disk Drill, and CleanMyMac to keep your Mac running smoothly. Try them all with a 7-day free trial. Check the link below to sign up. Thanks for watching.